Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about our letters like we do with Baby Echo. Hoo-hoo, boys and girls. Say hoo-hoo, Baby Echo.
Hoo-hoo and Baby Echo.
Now, if you remember, we echo or repeat everything that Baby Echo says. And you can't see her, but I have my daughter here and she's going to help us. But she's actually never done this before. So it'll be her first time. But you guys have been doing this for a really long time. So you should be able to follow along really easy. But my daughter is going to say the words after Baby Echo so that you know when it's your turn to talk. Okay, so if you remember, we echo everything Baby Echo says. So if Baby Echo says banana, you say
banana.
If Baby Echo says kangaroo, you say
kangaroo.
Very good job. Are you ready to start? We're going to start all the way at the beginning with letter A. Are you ready? Here we go. A, apple, A.
A, apple, A.
B, bat, B.
B, bat, B.
C, cat, K.
C, cat, K.
D, dog, D.
D, dog, D.
E, ed, E.
E, ed, F.
F, fun, F.
F, fun.
G, game, G.
G, game.
G, game, G.
G, game, G.
Very good. H, hat,
H, A.
Let's try that one again. H, hat,
H, hat.
Good. I, itch, I.
I, H, H.
J, jug, J.
J, jug, J.
K, kite, K.
K, kite, K.
L, lamp, L.
L, lamp, L.
M, man, M.
M, man,
M. N, nut, N.
M, nut, M.
O, octopus, ah.
O, octopus, ah.
P, pan, P.
P, pan,
Q, queen, qu.
Q, queen, K.
R, rat, R.
R, rat, O.
S, snake, S.
S, snake, S.
T, top, T.
T, top, T.
U, up, U, up, V, van,
V, fan.
V. W, wind, W.
W, wind, O.
X, fox, X.
X, fox.
X. Y, yellow, Y.
Y, yellow, red.
Yeah. Z, zebra, Z.
Z, zebra.
Z. Great job, boys and girls. Make sure that you practice our letters lots of times. You can find your own animal at home. It doesn't have to be an owl. You can pick any animal you want to help you as you say your letters, okay? All of our letter keywords and sounds are up here. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Want to say bye? Oh.